Hi friends, welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Yesterday we already discussed about some points on percentage. Now today we are going to discuss some more important points on percentage. Suppose 10% of 225 is given. Nothing is there. Remember 10% means how much? 10 by 100. That means this 0 cancels. That means 1 by 10. This can be written as 0.1. Means simply 10% means 0.1. 10% means 0.1. Put a decimal point before a one digit. After a decimal point, put a keep a one digit. Are you understood? Suppose, see here, 10% of 225. 10% of 225 means, see here, that means 10% of 225 means the answer is 22.5 is the 10% of 225. Are you understood? Yes, this is. Now suppose 10% of 10. 10% of 10 means what? 1.0. Are you understood? Are you clear this concept? Suppose 10% of 143. This means the answer is here 14.3 is the 10% of 143. Yes, this is the concept. Are you clear? C or 10% of 2 to 5. Already we discussed. So I am taking 228. So this becomes 22.8. So this is the 10% of the given any numbers. Understood? Yes. See here 15% of 2 to 5. 15% of 2 to 5 means this 15% can be written as 10% plus 5% of 2 to 5. See here, we already know this 10% means what? 22.5 plus 5% means half of 10%. That means this is 2 ones are 2 once again 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here this is 2 twos are 4 and 1 is there, 2 fives are 10, isn't it? Are you understood? So half of this is 10%. Half of 10% means 5%. Now addition of these two, we get the, see here 5 is there, put here 1 0. Now 0 plus 5 becomes 5, isn't it? Now 5 plus 2 becomes 7. Decimal point, put your decimal point appropriate place. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Once again 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So 33.75 is the 15% of 225. So this is the shortcut method. But check the actual method, isn't it? Actual method. What we need 15% of 225. So basically 15 into 225 by 100, isn't it? So instead of in 25 table, no need that. So 2 zeros are there. So that becomes 15 into, I am putting 2.25. Why? This 225 divided with 100, that becomes 2.225. Forget about the decimal. Now multiply. We get the answer 225 and 15. So I am multiplying tens digit first. So that's why I would like to put 10. So everything multiply by 1, the result came as this. Now I am multiplying with one's digit, that is 5, so no need to put any zeros. So 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 is there, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 means 12, 2, 1 is carry. Once again 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 means 11. Addition of these 5, 5 plus 2 means 7, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. What we got? 3375. So count the how many numbers after a decimal. After this is a decimal, after a decimal 1 2. So count the, put a decimal in appropriate position. Count the after a decimal how many numbers are there? 2. Count the numbers here from right to left, 1 2. So put a appropriate decimal there. So what is the answer? 33.75. This is the actual process, but in shortcut method also we got the same answer, that is 33.75. Are you understood? Everyone is clear this concept? Yes. Now to convert percentage into fraction. Are you understood? Conversion of a percentage into fraction. In the last class we discussed conversion of fraction into percentage. Now in this class we are going to discuss conversion of percentage into fraction. Suppose see 25% into what? Fraction, isn't it? That means 25 dividing with 100, that becomes, so here is 25 into 1 by 25 for the 100. So 25 cancel, that becomes 1 by 4. So 25% into fraction means 1 by 4. Are you understood? Yes. Now second one, 45% into fraction, that means 45 dividing with what? 100, isn't it? So here 5 9s are 45, 5 20s are 100. So cancel 5 numerator and denominator, that becomes 9 by 20, isn't it? So 45% can be converted into fraction, it became changes to 9 by 20. Like this, these are the conversions. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.